Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use two-time references effectively. First, identify your primary and secondary time zones. For instance, you might be in Eastern Time and need to coordinate with someone in Pacific Time. Understanding the exact difference, which is 3 hours in this example, is crucial. Always use a trusted world clock or a time zone conversion application to ensure accuracy. This helps avoid confusion and missed appointments when working across different regions. To streamline your dual time management, set up your devices. Most smartphones and computers allow you to add a second clock for another time zone. Make sure to label these clocks, perhaps as local and remote, for instant recognition. For those who prefer a tangible solution, a watch with a dual time display can be incredibly useful, offering a quick glance at both times without needing a screen. When scheduling events, clarity is paramount. Always specify the time in both time zones involved, for example, 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific. Utilizing a universal standard like Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, can also prevent misunderstandings. Remember that daylight saving adjustments can shift time differences, so always double-check these changes, especially during spring and autumn transitions, to maintain accuracy. To ensure smooth operations, always confirm meeting times with all participants, explicitly stating the time in their local zone. It is wise to build in a buffer of at least 15 minutes for any scheduled calls or meetings, accounting for minor time zone miscalculations or technical delays. Regularly reviewing your time zone settings and the tools you use will help you stay organized and efficient when managing multiple time references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.